And this is Ian and Cammy cooking.
Today we'll be making blueberry muffins.
Yum!
First you heat the oven to 425. Now it's heating to 425.
Pour the powder.
Okay, now you pour the powder in. Come on, Ian, pour in the powder. Make sure it doesn't spill.
Alright, that's enough.
Okay.
Milk.
Make sure you get it right on.
Oil.
That's about enough oil right there.
Then you add the eggs. So make sure to add 2 eggs.
One egg. One more coming in. 2 eggs. Just like that. Then you start stirring. Stir until you see it nice and mellow. Then you spray Pam on all the cupcake molds. Make sure you get in each one. Over here also, Ian. Inside these. And this one. Okay, stop. And they're all full of oil. Remember, put in the cups for big cupcakes. And big cupcakes only, because they don't fit in the small ones. Put a cup in each one. Almost done.
I do one.
Ian's gonna do one.
Alright, one more from you.
Nope. Okay. So, now that's the cupcake mold.
Then you scoop it inside.
Just like this. Make sure you don't fill it. Maybe only halfway, because they expand inside the oven. Then you bring them inside and stick them in the oven. Come here. Bring here. Watch out, it might be too hot. And make sure you leave space for them to rise, because you don't want them to be not rising. And one more. Coming in second. Let them sit for about 45 minutes and they should be brown and crispy. It's cooked to perfection.